Bit of a different video today. If you've been following my channel or my story on the forums or blogs before that, you'll know that for about the last year I've been hunting for a garage because I didn't really want to do another conversion project on my driveway, and I didn't really want to do the body conversion on the first one on the driveway. Well, I'm very, very pleased to say that I've just shaken hands on a deal, and in my hand I have a set of keys. And behind me there's a roller shutter that I now control. It makes some really scary noises. So here we are, 1,500 square feet of EV conversion space slash general project playing space. It's about 15 minutes drive from my house. It's got power, it's got light, it's got a toilet, it's got, weirdly, a changing room. It's got the fans from the shop that's next door. They'll go up on the wall at some point. It's got a door that doesn't go anywhere. It's got a bin which will go outside or just go. And it's got an old roller shutter we need to clear out, and frankly a load of crap that needs sorting out. But it is dry. It is pretty big. I've already got one friend moving in here with me to share the bills and the costs, and to make it a bit of a social space for car nuts as well. Suffice to say, I'm a bit excited. So, lots of work to do in here to get it ready, but this should really accelerate progress on both my projects. I'll be announcing, or rather introducing properly, the second one in a video soon. But if you've been following the channel, you know that I've got the body swap coming up on the Z300S, about 5 weeks away from getting those body panels. Still got the motor upgrade to do, still got the heating to fit. All of that will be easier in here when I can take things apart in the dry, whatever the weather outside. Not the warm, it's going to be pretty chilly in here still, but a good space to work. Need to get some things like a workbench in here. I need to get some shelves for storage. But primarily this is going to be the place where I take on my next project, and I'll be introducing that, as I say, in a future video, and starting to get that sorted. You might meet the other cast of characters who come in here as well. Definitely one person sharing with me, maybe more in the future. So yeah, that's it. I've got a workshop after well over a year of hunting. I'm really, really excited. Thanks for watching. If you do want to see what goes on in here and see another complete EV conversion, do like and subscribe, please. Smash that bell, as YouTubers seem to say. And yeah, thanks for watching.